How to sync WhatsApp contacts to Phonebook. If you've noticed that a contact appears in WhatsApp but doesn't show up in your phone's Contacts app, here's a quick way to fix it. First, open WhatsApp. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, go to Privacy. Then tap Contacts. Here, you'll find the WhatsApp Contacts option. If it's currently enabled, tap the toggle to turn it off. A message will appear explaining that contacts saved only to your WhatsApp account will be removed from WhatsApp, but you can still keep them on your phone. Confirm by tapping Delete. After a few moments, open your phone's Contacts app and check if the missing contact now appears in your contact list. If you'd like WhatsApp to continue syncing newly saved contacts with your account, you can return to the same menu and turn WhatsApp contacts back on after confirming your contacts have been saved to your phone. And that's it. That's how you can save WhatsApp contacts to your phone contacts and fix contacts that only appear inside WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy WhatsApp tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.